पेरेंट्स टीचर एसोसिएशन की तरफ से मैं आप सभी गुरुजनों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। कोरोना काल की विषम परिस्थितियों में भी आप जिस तत्परता से अपने उत्तरदायित्वों का निर्वहन कर रहे हैं वह वास्तव में अनुकरणीय है। सच्चाई तो यह है कि हर सुबह जब हमारे बच्चे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के माध्यम से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड करते हैं, हम पेरेंट्स को भी आपकी सिंसियरिटी और छात्रों के साथ आत्मीयता की जो झलक दिखाई देती है वह सेंट माइकल स्कूल और आप सभी शिक्षकों को हमारी नज़रों में और ऊंचा उठा देती है। हमारी भावी पीढ़ी के जीवन निर्माण में आप टीचर्स जो सार्थक प्रयास कर रहे हैं उसके लिए एक बार पुनः आप सबका अभिनंदन एवं धन्यवाद।
Good morning to everyone. It is very heartening to know that St. Michael's School, Patna is celebrating Teachers' Day today. As we know, Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th September every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of India and the second President of India, and an educationist at heart. I always feel that Teachers' Day is actually a celebration to acknowledge the hardship, challenges and the unparalleled role that teachers play in our lives. Teachers have great importance in character building of entire nation and society. For this great role, teachers should endeavor for imbibing value-based education, which must include values of compassion, love, empathy, respect to elders, respect to environment and respect to nation, and also encourage students for development of scientific temper, inquisitiveness and logical thinking. On this occasion, I must congratulate all the teachers for their extraordinary efforts in meeting the new challenges during COVID-19. Online teaching and distant learning are new realities under the new circumstances for which teachers needed to learn new technologies and methodologies in meeting the changed expectations of parents and students. I very much appreciate the hard work done by teachers in creating and developing innovative learning tools in very short time to meet all such new ever evolving challenges. At the end, on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I salute all the teachers from deep of my heart and compliment all of them for their selfless service to society and their contribution in nurturing the bright young minds of this nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bihar.
Good afternoon everyone. It's my fortunate that two of my daughters, elder one Hajra Ali of Standard 6 and the younger one Zikra Ali, Standard 1, are studying in St. Michael's High School. As we know, in the beginning of the session in April, we faced a lockdown due to a pandemic COVID-19. And during that time, the school played a very important role along with the teachers in studying and sending their study materials was like awesome and not less than wow. And I must say, along with the studies, they are completing the syllabus and preparing them for the online classes, and taking examinations makes the children more efficient and active during these days. And at last, not least, I would like to say, everybody, I pray for everybody, be safe and stay safe. Thank you.
गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे, आपकी आपसे पहचान करा दे, तराज दे हीरे की तरह तुमको, दुनिया के रास्ते पर चलना सिखा दे, कर दे कायाकल्प वो तुम्हारा, सच और झूठ से साकार करा दे, हमेशा दिखाए सच्चा मार्ग वो तुम्हें एक अच्छा इंसान बना दे, मुश्किलों से लड़के आगे बढ़ जाओ तुम्हें वो इतना समझदार बना दे, बताए वो तुम्हें जीत जाना ही सब कुछ नहीं, हार कर जीत जाने को हुनर सिखा दे। Good morning to one and all. We have gathered here to commemorate the effort of our teachers who are believed to be the second parent and guiding master of our children. It is an honorable occasion for our students and parents to wish our teachers or gurus on this Teachers' Day. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping the future of their student, right from kindergarten to university. They are one who impart knowledge and moral values in our life. It would not be wrong to say that teachers are equal to parents. They teach selflessly. In this time of pandemic, they guided our children with patience. Just imagine for a moment what our lives would have been had we not had the teachers. Our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said, "The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can only be created by teachers." A big thanks to all teachers present here.
Rector, for the principal, and Mrs. Ma'am, for the vice principal, and all the teachers of the school. I, Ujjwal, take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day, both as an alma mater of the great institution and now as guardian for my 2 sons. The life of a teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. With you as their mentors, as their teachers, as their guide, and at times friends, we feel and take a sense of pride about their future being in secure hands. So once again, from bottom of my heart, wishing you all a very, 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 very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I am Neha Agarwal, mother of Shashwat Kumar, studying in class 10B. Today, I want to give special thanks to the Father Principal, the Vice Principal, and especially all the teachers for the commendable work they have been doing in the new normal educational environment. Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, they have accepted the challenge of conducting the online classes. I really appreciate their hard work, dedication, innovation, and the continuous communication with the students. Your guidance and support is crucial for their mental relaxation and their success. I am sure together we all will tide over this difficult calamity. Thank you so much once again.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आनंद कुमार, संस्थापक सुपर 30। मैं खुद एक शिक्षक हूं, लेकिन मैं शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर बोलना चाहता हूँ कि एक बार शिक्षक का धर्म, एक बार शिक्षक का कर्तव्य मुझे और समझने का मौका मिला कि कितनी मेहनत करते हैं शिक्षक, अपना सब कुछ बच्चों के लिए न्योछावर कर देते हैं। ये देखने और समझने का मौका मिला जब मेरा बेटा सेंट माइकल स्कूल में जाने लगा। उस सेंट माइकल्स स्कूल में जहाँ के शिक्षक लॉकडाउन में भी बगैर किसी चिंता की परवाह किए दिन रात बच्चों के बेहतर जीवन बनाने में लगे हुए, क्लास ले रहे हैं, असाइनमेंट दे रहे हैं, बच्चों की चिंता कर रहे हैं। आश्चर्य की बात, एक बच्चों का उन्हें नाम तक याद है। ये बातें मुझे बहुत प्रभावित की। जिस तरह से फादर प्रिंसिपल, विशाखा मैडम या पूरा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लगा हुआ रहता है बच्चों के बेहतर जीवन बनाने के लिए, उसके लिए मैं बहुत स्कूल का आभारी हूँ और मैं उन तमाम शिक्षकों का सत नमन करता हूँ। और बच्चों, मैं आपसे निवेदन करता हूँ कि आप लोग भी मेहनत करें और उनको सम्मान दें। शिक्षकों का सच्चा सम्मान ये नहीं कि आप कितनी आदर करते, बल्कि आप इतनी पढ़ाई करें, इतना मेहनत करें और उस ऊंचाई पर पहुंचे जहां तक पहुंचने की शिक्षकों ने भी आपकी कल्पना नहीं की है। यही शिक्षक का सही सम्मान है। धन्यवाद।
With great honor and pleasure, me, Aishwarya Sharma, mother of Tanish Tanmay from St. Michael's High School, is here privileged and honored to wish all of you a happy Teachers' Day and a very great year ahead, because this pandemic time we were all not there to celebrate the Teachers' Day, and I'm really thankful to Father to ask me to have this small clip for all of you. I wish you all a very safe life ahead, and all our children who have been effortlessly taken care by the teachers. We are so happy and grateful to all of you. We are running short of time, so I will just end it up here, and I wish to see you all in a very good health and a good shape year ahead. Thank you so much. God bless us all.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि बच्चे सुबह उठकर ऑनलाइन क्लास ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं और काफ़ी बेहतर घर का माहौल बना हुआ है। जैसे लगता है कि विद्यालय हो गया है और शिक्षक और बच्चे मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं।
Good morning. Father Principal, Father Vice Principal, respected teachers and students. Although we all are facing a pandemic this year, the zeal to celebrate Teachers' Day is still high. Teachers' Day is an opportunity to celebrate and express our gratitude to our teachers. Teachers are believed to be the second parent and guiding masters of a student's career. Parents give birth to a child, but teachers shape the personality of a child and constantly try to help him evolve into a good human being who can serve God and country in his life. We all are very fortunate to have such motivating and helping teachers at St. Michael's. No amount of words can suffice how much you mean to students. Let's pledge together to always respect our teachers. Thank you.
Teachers' Day to you all. In this tough time of pandemic of COVID-19, we must pay our deepest gratitude to the teachers and teaching staff of St. Michael's High School for their great efforts they are putting to teach our children. You all have been a great source of inspiration to all of us. Thank you very much, and once again, Happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teachers, it gives me immense pleasure, and I consider it a great honor to share this important occasion, that is Teachers' Day, with you all, dear teachers. Being parents to two children, Yasser Ahmed in class 9 and Ira Masya Ahmed in class 1 in St. Michael's High School, firstly, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Dear teachers, your guidance, support, care, love and hard work has emboldened our children to face the future with much confidence from the lessons learned from you. We are fortunate that we have teachers as dedicated and as committed as you are. Dear teachers, you inspire, motivate and encourage our children to develop and grow into productive members of the society and the nation they live in. Your role in cultivating and developing nascent talent in our children has seminal effect on what children will become in the future. We must also recognize that you have an important role in the larger tasks of nation building and in developing them as good citizens of the society. We are indeed grateful and highly indebted for the sacrifices you make in educating our children and preparing them for the challenges that they will encounter on the road of life that lies ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care.
Good morning, everyone. While we celebrate Teachers' Day today, amidst the most severely affected pandemic of this century, I would like to thank all the teachers and associated members of St. Michael's High School for their wonderful and magnanimous contribution throughout these difficult times. Under the able leadership of the headmistress Ma'am Shaka Sinha, all the teachers have tried different innovative ways to make the children learn in the best possible manner. Teachers are the backbone of making a society, and no one had ever thought that the world will be captivated in such shambles, and teachers will have to play such a critical and diversified role in making the students and children of our future generations. No matter whatever happens, the teachers of St. Michael High Schools have stayed put and tried different innovative ways, ideas and methodologies to impart the students in the best possible manner and to make the learning as simple as possible for the little ones. I would like to thank the teachers and other members of the teaching and non-teaching staff of St. Michael's High School in making sure that the children learn the best possible and the content of the textbooks are being communicated in the easiest and in the best possible manner to the students so that learning becomes easy, fun, and at the same time the discipline also is being maintained to the maximum. St. Michael's High School has always been a pioneer of education and discipline. Under these difficult times and leadership of Mrs. Sinha, I am I have no words to thank the teachers and the principal ma'am and the headmistress ma'am for the wonderful support they have rendered throughout these difficult times to all the parents and the other siblings of the family. Thank you very much and wish you once again all a very happy Teachers Day.
शिक्षक दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर सभी गुरुजनों को मेरा प्रणाम। बच्चों के व्यक्तित्व के विकास और उनके चारित्रिक निर्माण में जो आप लोगों की भूमिका है वो अतुलनीय है, वो अविस्मरणीय है और उसके लिए एक अभिभावक के नाते मैं बहुत ही हृदय से आप लोगों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ, आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। कृपया इन बच्चों का आगे भी उचित मार्गदर्शन करते रहेंगे। उन्हें नई ऊंचाइयों के बारे में, जीवन में नए मार्गों के बारे में आप उन्हें राह दिखाते रहेंगे, उनका मार्गदर्शन करते रहेंगे ताकि वे समाज और राष्ट्र के निर्माण में सहभागी बने। धन्यवाद और शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं आप सभी गुरुजनों को एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद और प्रणाम।
नमस्ते, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। इन विषम परिस्थितियों में भी संत माइकल स्कूल के शिक्षकों ने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि वास्तव में आप ही सुपर हीरो हैं। इन विषम परिस्थिति में संत माइकल स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल तथा वहाँ के जितने टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ है, इन्होंने अपनी कार्य क्षमता से ये सिद्ध कर दिया कि आज भी हम बच्चों को हर परिस्थिति में बेहतर शिक्षा प्रदान कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
There is a friend, philosopher and a guide who instills confidence in young minds, gives them direction and encourages them to dream. There is no better time to acknowledge this fact and express gratitude to teachers on their very special day, that is Teachers' Day. Respected Father, Headmistress Ma'am and all the teachers, I would like to thank you all for highly appreciable, fantastic and awesome effort of conducting online classes in this pandemic period. I really appreciate your way of teaching, your way of giving assignments, PPTs and conducting classes through Zoom app, and your patience of checking and giving feedback to each and every student's work. Father, I especially want to salute you and your team's effort, patience and enthusiasm. Dear teachers, your effort in this period of COVID-19 pandemic is highly appreciable. I hope and pray to God that we will soon be able to overcome this situation. This is Agastya's mother. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो सेंट माइकल्स हाई स्कूल के सभी शिक्षकों को मेरा प्रणाम। मेरा नाम प्रीति प्रिया है। आप सबों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई। और सच में आप लोगों ने जो काबिले तारीफ काम इस लॉकडाउन के समय किया है वो सचमुच बहुत ही कठिन है। इस कठिन समय में भी आप लोगों ने हमारे बच्चों की पढ़ाई में कोई कमी नहीं आने दी। बहुत ही मिनिमम रिसोर्सेज के साथ आप लोगों ने ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई स्टार्ट किया, जो कि आप लोग ने कभी इससे पहले किया नहीं था और बच्चों को भी हैंडल करना बहुत मुश्किल था आप लोगों को इस समय में। पर आप लोगों ने सच में अपना काम इतनी बेहतरीन तरीके से किया है कि वो सच में काबिले तारीफ है। थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू यू ऑल।
Hi everyone. A noble profession, teaching, bring lot of hard work and dedication and sacrifices. The teacher infused the values in children like responsibilities, confidence, truthfulness, honesty, and many more. They infused the values so well and so deeply in the minds of the children that it remains for lifelong. I would like to thank Father Armstrong for giving this opportunity on this very special Thanksgiving Day. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Headmistress. Thank you, dear teachers, for the moral values you give to our children to make them a better citizen. You not only give the education to them, you have tried a lot and you are doing best to make our child a better citizen. It's my personal experience. You not only help the child to come up, you help the parents also to make the child a better person. You help the parents how we can come up with the things, with the problems we are nowadays facing to upbring our child. Thank you, dear teachers. and everyone for their hard work and their dedicated service. What you are still continuing on the situation where nothing is in our control. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for everything.
Teachers, we love you.